Hello, I'm David and today I will show you how to make a Sunblaster gun and we will check how good it works. I saw a lot of guns like this in YouTube videos, so I want to make my own. Internal diameter of this Sunblaster nozzle is only 3 mm. This is very simple to build, so I will not talk much about how to make it. First I will show you some effects of glass blasting aluminum on the photos. As you see, it looks quite nice. I used it also for cleaning braking system elements. Here you can see my sandblasting setup. I used tiny 24 liters air compressor. Also there is my sandblasting cabinet. You really need this. Without cabinet, glass powder flies around and hits you very hard. All the time I was wearing safety glasses and a respirator mask. Let's see how it works. Thanks for watching.